Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tintin and I used to work on board Royal Caribbean Cruise Line, one of the biggest and busiest cruise companies in the world. In today's video, I want to share a position that many Filipinos start with when beginning their cruise ship career, the public area cleaner or public cleaner. This one of the departments I work closely with during my contract in RCCL, and I've seen firsthand how important this role is. So today, I'll walk you through what the job is, the responsibilities, the requirements, and how you can apply. Let's start. What is a public area cleaner? A public area cleaner is responsible for keeping all the guests and crew public spaces clean, organized, and sanitized. You're the reason why the lobby shines, the restrooms smell fresh, and the hallways look welcoming the whole day. On a ship as big as RCCL, the public area team is everywhere, making sure the ship always look world class. Main duties and responsibilities: cleaning and sanitizing guests and crew public areas, keeping restroom clean and restocked, vacuuming carpets, mopping floors, and wiping surfaces, polishing mirrors, windows, and glass walls, handling trash collection and waste segregation, assisting with deep cleaning schedules, reporting maintenance concerns to supervisors, and giving directions or assistance when guests ask for help. This role is physical, fast-paced, and requires a lot of discipline, but is also one of the best starting points if you want to grow your career on board. Requirements: to apply as public area cleaner, here are the mandatory requirements you should prepare. Valid passport, at least 1 to 2 years validity. Seaman's book, STCW training, basic safety certificates, NC2 housekeeping. This is highly recommended but depends on agency. Pre-employment medical exam only after you get hired. Updated resume, and vaccination records required by cruise line. Recommended skills and experience: experience in housekeeping, custodial work, hotel, resort, or mall, knowledge in handling cleaning tools and chemicals, can speak and understand English, physically fit, can stand long hours, and can work fast, and with good attitude and willingness to learn. Kaya malaking advantage talaga if complete ka na sa basic requirements like passport, STCW at Seaman's book. Kapag may urgent hiring or quick replacement, ikaw kagad ang priority dahil ready ka na. Salary range. Salary varies per cruise line but usually public area cleaner making $800 to $1,200 per month. With overtime, performance points, and experience, it can increase every contract. Contract length: 6 to 9 months on board and 2 months vacation, depends on cruise line and department needs. Career growth. One thing I learned from working in RCCL, promotion are real if you work hard. From public cleaner, you can move up to housekeeping steward, housekeeping supervisor, assistant housekeeping manager, and housekeeping manager. This job is a strong stepping stone for long-term career growth. How to apply? To apply, make sure you only go through accredited manning agencies or the official website of cruise line. Never apply through illegal recruiters. Sources of application: accredited manning agencies in the Philippines, cruise line official pages, and job fairs and recruitment events. And that's your complete guide on how to become a public area cleaner on a cruise ship. Coming from my experience in RCCL, I can say this role is one of the most hardworking departments, but it opens so many doors for career growth and future position. If you want more guides about cruise ship jobs, documents, and application tips, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check the links down below. I have videos about passport, Seaman's Book, STCW, and more. See you on the next video.